In this video, I'm going to make a custom plugin for WordPress. Hi, I'm Michael Socavetta. Recently, I was creating a plugin in which I needed the ID for the user currently visiting the site. It's a WordPress site that has a membership area, and I should start by saying that developer.wordpress.org has some very good documentation. Anyway, first I'm going to create a new folder in the plugins directory, and then a PHP file within that. To make a plugin, you have to include some header information. Only the plugin name is required, but I'll add in a few other things. Then I'll activate my plugin. Back to the code. First, I'm going to create a function and then use add_action, which is how my plugin will hook into WordPress. Within my function, I simply use wp_get_current_user and assign that to a variable. wp_get_current_user pulls from the user table in the database, and any column within that is included. So I could also get username, email, and display name. For my purposes, I want the user ID so I can query another table within the database. Notice I put global wp_dp, which gives me the database connection for WordPress. And since I'm only selecting a single row result, I'm not looping through get results, but instead using get row. Too often I see code using a loop to get what can only be a single row result. To keep it simple for this example, I'm just going to write to the error log to show that my plugin worked correctly. As you can see, my plugin worked. I hope this has helped.